Ain't no bones about it, Skelly ain't going away. Don't believe those rumors that he'll be discontinued after this year. It's just a rumor to scare you and to make you buy more of him. But it's a natural fact that Skelly spurred a whole family of giant, creepy cousins. The 12-foot-tall skeleton transformed the way we think about Halloween decorations. He's made other skeleton displays more popular too. The exact number of Skellys sold is a company secret, but Home Depot sold out of its 4,200 Skelly restock in just 24 hours, back in July, 3 full months before Halloween. I've been a big fan of Skelly ever since he burst onto the scene back in 2020, so this year I decided it was time to spring for a skeleton of my own.
I'm scary, so very scary.
It's within my budget, and really the scariest thing about Skelly is the price tag.